Hi, hello, welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty backtesting for the month of July in the year 2023. So before going to the backtesting, we'll see what are our indicators. See, this is CPR. This is a CPR range, and these are Camarilla levels. The points above CPR are called H3, H4, and the points below CPR are called L3 and L4. And this is 20 MA. This is used for retracement rates, and these are the set of indicators we use to take a trade. We don't take a trade every day. Even if we have at least 5 trading days to take in a month is good enough to be in a profit. So based on these levels, like H3, sometimes H3 or L3 will be near to the CPR, and that will give us the indication about a strategy. And most important thing is we'll observe what day it is, whether it is a Monday, Tuesday. Based on that, like if it is a Monday and it is whether it is having a narrow CPR or a wide CPR, these are all the points. We'll take a sharp one trade and we'll take one decision in the live market, and we'll go with that trade. If we can't have a setup for that day, we just leave the market and we'll go to the first day of July. This is a Monday graph. See, according to our strategies, mostly on Mondays, before going to backtest, we'll see this H4 and L4 are a breakout trades. Most of the time, this will give a breakout trades, and sometimes there will be reversal trades. So if the market is between this range, we have some idea about taking a trade, and if it is above these levels, we'll have some other strategies to take a trade, and sometimes no strategy to take a trade. Nothing will happen if you don't have any strategy on some days. And we'll move on to the first day. This is a Monday graph, and it is a H3 support, and it is breaking this H4. So mostly on Mondays there will not be reversals. It will try to give us breakouts. See, this is a H4 breakout. Though it is a H4 breakout, since it is not a first 5 minutes candle breakout, we are not onto the call position, neither we are not onto the put side too, because we don't accept reversals 99% of the time on Mondays. So there is no call position and there is no put position. At least we'll observe the market at 20 MA retracement. If you observe this 20 MA retracement, it is a clear reversal and there is no breakout. Since though it is a breakout, it is not happening to reach to the call side, and since it is a clear reversal at 20 MA, you may feel like a reversal, but it will not give a reversal too, because of Monday, and it is a wide CPR. Most probably it will try to be sideways. If of course it is a no trading day, the first day of the month itself a no trading day. And we will move on to the next day. Here it is a Tuesday. On Tuesdays it is possible to take reversals. What strategy it is to have a thing like days? Yes, because with our backtesting we know that we have some strategies with the days. And on Tuesday, if it is a breakout of H4 or L4, we are not going to take a trade. If it is a reversal, yes, it is a double confirmation that you can take a reversals. Here it is a clear reversal from H4. So yes, you can go for the reversal trade, and your target will be up to this CPR. And at CPR, we are not taking any trade. And this move is not according to our setup, so you may or may not take a trade. This is according to our setup. And the trade is over for this Tuesday, and it is of course an arrow CPR, and again an arrow CPR, right? And it is a Wednesday graph. Mostly On Wednesday the market will try to be on the same direction, but we'll see how it is reacting. Here there is no price action with this first few candles, so we'll observe. It is, yes, of course, forming higher lows, and yes, it is not at all giving any direction to take a trade. And if you observe here, there is no camarilla point reaching either onto the both sides on Wednesday. So again a no trading day, and we'll move on to the next day. It is going to be Thursday, right? On Thursday, most of the time Monday and Thursday will be a breakout trade. So we'll see. Yes, it is a reversal, but you can't have a price action. We can't take any entry with this. And if you observe, it is a H4 breakout. And will you take a H4 breakout? We'll see at 20 MA retracement. If we have a chance to take, then you can take a call position. Here it is giving us a chance to take, and this is 19,442. It's just 40 points movement. It will give merely 20 points to take, and we are not taking this trade. So it's okay to take a breakout trade on Thursday. And we'll move on to the next day. It is a Friday. Here this Friday graph is a slight gap down, and it is a clear support from L4, and this, if you enter here, the stop loss will become big. So we'll see a price action. Maybe H3 reversal or is possible. Yes, it is a clear reversal from this point, right? You can take a put position here at this point, because the market has traveled a lot and mostly on Fridays, and it is, since a wide CPR, reversals are possible. The market will not be onto the same side, so you can take a put at this point, or else you should be away from the market and you should not take a trade. So even in a week, if you can take 1 or 2 trades, it's a very super thing. And next day is Monday. On Monday, and it is a very wide CPR, so it's better not to go for any trade. It has clearly breaking CPR onto the upside, onto the downside, so it's not a good advice to take a trade. So again, 10th, a no trading day. So we'll move on to the next day. It is a Tuesday graph. See, on Tuesday it is a clear support at H4, so we are not going to take a trade, and mostly we'll see for reversals, right? So it is possible if it is giving anything on 20 MA retracement. Yes, we expected a reversal on Tuesday. It has given us a reversal trade to take. And on Wednesday, it is a gap up, and it is a clear reversal from H4, right? It is possible to take a put position, and your target will be up to this L3 only. Of course, it will be in the same direction for on Wednesday, but it will not be very easy to take a trade. And we'll move on to the next day. It is a Thursday graph. It is a H4 support. So on Thursday, if it is a H4 support, there is a chance the market may reach up to H5, but will you enter here is up to you, because your stop loss will be here, right? So yes, you can take a call position on this day. And if you miss to take this trade, you can think about taking this trade, reversal trade around 130. And it is a Friday graph on 14th. It is a very wide CPR on Fridays. If it is a reversal at this point, you can enter here at this point, and your stop loss will be up to, your target will be up to bottom CPR. So it is a 60 points movement. If it is a 60 points movement, as it is as it has clearly reached, and with that 60 points movement, you can capture 30 points easily. And on Fridays, mostly gap up will be sustained, and yes, it is sustained at end of the day. And next Monday, we'll see. It is again a wide CPR only. If it is sustaining, right, we are not taking any trade because it is not giving us any chance. It has clearly a H4 breakout, but it is not in the morning session, so it's better not to go for a trade on 17th. But it is according to our rules only. And we'll move on to the next day. It is of course again a white CPR, and it is a Tuesday graph, and it is a reversals. Yes, you can go for the trade. It is a clear reversal, and if you enter here, you may hit your stop loss at this point, but your stop loss is just above this point. Your target will reach. It is a clear reach. Next day is Wednesday, and it is a wide CPR, narrow CPR, narrow CPR. On narrow CPR, it is a H4 reversal. H4 reversal is possible here. Yes, it has a H4 reversal, but if you enter here, your stop loss will become very big. So after this reversal, if you take a put, it's good for you to go for the trade. It's just hitting stop losses of most of the traders. And move on to the next day. It is going to be Thursday. On Thursday, it's a opening in the middle, right? So we'll see a price action. Okay, it has reached at L4. At L4, whether it is going to break or what, we'll see. It is a clear reversal from this point, right? It is an uptrend CPR, right? And it is a clear reversal from this point. And if you observe, when the market is a clear rounding reversal from CPR, it will reach to the heights. Definitely it will not fall. Yes, it happened in the same way. So again, we'll see the graph on 21st. It is again a huge gap down. So on huge gap downs, it is a reversal at this point. You can go for the reversal trade only. Yes, it is a target hit. And on Monday, it is average CPR. We'll see, it is not touching any of the Camarilla levels. There is no price action till now. And this is possible. This central CPR reversal is also possible. You can take a put after this candle, and it is a clear reach to L3. When it is in such a way of reversing, there should be no candles in this range. It will give us a clear reversal. And next day is Tuesday, and it is average CPR, and the candles are inside the CPR. We'll see whether the market is towards. Yes, again the same type of market, like reversal from this point. It is possible to take, but continuous trade setup of same thing is not acceptable most of the time. So you may or may not take that trade. And the next day is Wednesday, and it is a downtrend CPR, and it is a second candle CPA H4 breakout. So, and also if you observe, this is a 200 EMA. It is a support from 200 EMA too. So possibility is off to the call side. Yes, it happened on Wednesday. And of course on Wednesday, if it is an arrow CPR, it cannot go beyond this level, and it may reverse. Yes, it is a clear consolidation. And we'll move on to the next day. On Thursday, and it is a narrow CPR, and it is not a breakout of H4, it is just a support at H4. So this reversal candle will give us the indication it is going to reverse from the point, and your target will be up to CPR, not more than CPR. And next day is Friday. On Friday, it is of course wide CPR only. No price action till now. Still there is no price action, and it is breaking of L3. So it is on to the put side, but there is no chance to go for a trade. So you should leave the market for the day. And on Monday, again on 31st, it is a narrow CPR, and it is a clear support at L3. So yes, you can take a clear reversal, and if this reversal of rounding reversal at CPR will indicate the market is not going to fall. Yes, it is a clear uptrend. And the day is over, and almost there is no stop loss, but there are 3 to 4 no trading days. But stop loss is up to you. If you are at right point, you will not hit your stop loss. Sometimes it will happen, even if we have a good strategy, we'll have 2 to 3 stop loss hittings possible. So this July month is a good month to take trades according to this CPR. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.